special, yung bulilit, bulilit, sanay sa masikip.
Alam niyo ba yun?
Alam niyo ba yun?
Sikat na sikat yun, di ba? Yung mga nasa taas dyan. Kilala niyo ba yun?
Kilala niyo na ba yun? So, yan, our next performer is Mensay din po siya ng Going Bulilit. So, here to give us a spectacular performance. Give it up for the bubbly, cute, and talented
Chacha Cañete! Palakpakan po natin siya!
Bulilit, bulilit.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your ship there. See how I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. This cause of your love reminds me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside your head, but you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one of you, and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Take it home down there, I'll find your home to share. Just cause of your love reminds me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. Just cause of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside your head. Put your place to the beat. Could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside your head. Put your place with the beat. Showing our soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. Take me back and you're just what you said. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside your head. Put your place to the beat. Could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside your head. Put your place to the
Yay!
Ang galing amazing.
Cute si Chacha.
Grabe. Ilan taon ka na, Chacha?
8 po.
8.
At mapapanood natin siya sa Going Bulilit, di ba?
Oo, napaka-bibo. Akalain mo kumanta ng Adele?
Tama.
Ang late-late na bata, kumanta ng Adele?
You're good at... Ganun lang. So, Chacha, may interview ako. May tanong ko sa'yo, May interview yun. The boss pala to. Ano masabi mo tungkol sa Moose Girl?
Maganda po yung photos niya at saka yung mga designs niya. At saka, mabay na po siyang suotin at hindi po siya mainit suotin.
Comfortable at Fashionable, in short.
Actually, marami sa mga kids natin, pag medyo mainit yung suot, sinusumbong. Di ba? Mga umiiyak, mga wala sa mood. So, pag nagsuot sila ng Moose Girl and Moose Gear,
Bubbly!
magiging cute, magiging malang Adele, ganon.
Yeah.
Di ba? Anong sample?
Uy, sample na!
Ay,
Gusto mo?
oo.
So,
No.
sample! Humingi sila sample! 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 Sample!
Okay lang, sige. There's a fire inside in my heart. Tapos na yun.
Galing! Ang galing naman!
Anyways, meron pong ipopromote si Chacha. Kaya balita ko, dahil
May
kumanta ka ng
album?
Adele, may album ka na agad.
Wow!
Akalain
Saan ba
mo-
to? Saan ba to galing? Sa?
Ayan, meron siyang solo album. So, ipromote mo yung album mo.
Sana po bumili po kayo ng album ko. Available po siya sa Astro Plus, Astrobation, Hadith, and Holiday Music Star Nationwide po.
So, ano mga songs sa abang namin dyan? May singles. Ano mga single mo dyan?
Bakit po?
Actually, may second song siya tapos galing yun sa album niya.
Wow!
Diba? Tama ba?
Ako.
So, kakanta tayo ni Chacha ng kanta niya galing sa kanyang Bulilit Rockstar album. So,